Hey there, just got my IL Euro Joysticks from Paradise Arcade. Look, little handwritten note there. Eurosticks, and they put candy in there. How nice. Love these. I don't know if I'm gonna share with my girlfriend or not, but here they are. Cherry switches. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on, let me turn on the light. Cherry switches, you can tell by the red little switches there. The nylon actuator. Pretty nice. Matching dust washer. Can't wait to get these installed. Probably going to do that this weekend. Today's Thursday, so probably going to take another video on Saturday when I have some time. So, really excited. Cherry switches, sweet. Nylon actuator. Yay! Alright. Talk to you later. Bye.